Welcome, dear viewers. We are back with an exciting journey into hair care, specifically focusing on maximizing hair thickness and promoting growth while being budget conscious. Today, we introduce an extraordinary product, the Hair Thickness Maximizer Jamaican Black Castor Oil Hair Growth Treatment Serum. This unique blend, enhanced with clove, rosemary, and peppermint, is a game changer for those seeking healthier hair without sacrificing quality or breaking the bank. Let's dive into the powerful ingredients that make this serum stand out. The combination of clove oil alongside organic pumpkin seed oil, jojoba oil, argan oil, Jamaican black castor oil, and a medley of essential oils like coffee bean, peppermint, cinnamon, and rosemary creates a supercharged formula. Each ingredient contributes its unique properties, providing a holistic approach to hair rejuvenation. Clove oil, renowned for its nourishing effects, has been treasured through generations for stimulating hair follicles, making it an essential part of your hair care routine. Now, why is this treatment perfect for everyone? No matter your hair type, be it curly, straight, dry, or chemically treated, this clove hair oil caters to a wide range of textures and porosities. It deeply nourishes and strengthens your hair from 1A to 4C, ensuring that it remains healthy and vibrant. Imagine radiant locks that not only look fuller but feel revitalized from the roots to the tips. Quality is of utmost importance, and this serum is produced under strict GMP standards. It's vegan, cruelty-free, and devoid of harsh chemicals and gluten. With simply a straightforward application process, you'll find it easy to integrate this treatment into your daily routine. Just apply, massage into your scalp, and leave it on for a minimum of 30 minutes before rinsing. This simple ritual allows the serum to penetrate deeply, providing the nourishment your hair craves. To wrap up, if you're looking for an effective and affordable solution to boost your hair's thickness and health, this is it. Don't miss out on the opportunity to transform your hair care regimen. The link for purchase is conveniently included in the description box of this video. For more hair care tips and tricks, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us, and here's to beautiful, revitalized hair.